Hi all. Now we are going to see how to handle large volume of data. So there are basically, three things that we have to concentrate while handling large data. First is the problems that is created due to handling large data sets. And then obviously when we have a problem, we'll have solutions and also the tips to solve it. So the large volume of data actually possesses challenges, and it also have overloaded memories and algorithms that stops running the actual algorithm. And so we have to consider few things, such as we have to catalog or expand our adaptation techniques, and also we have to check which suits it better. And so we have to even check about the CPU starvation, which is actually running parallel things, and we have to stop doing it. So we'll just go on to check what are the different problems, solutions, and tips involved in handling large data. First is about problems. So it can be categorized as not enough memory or processes that never end, which is actually iterating infinite with an infinite loop. And sometimes, some components form a bottleneck while others remain idle. So, and also not enough speed. These are the general problems that we face when we have a large volume of data. So how to solve, like if we try to squeeze more data into memory and that actually doesn't fit or it is beyond the range, then we face such problems. And also when we try to cure the memory issues, we need to deal with another limited resource like time. And also certain algorithms do not take into time into account. They'll keep running forever. That's what infinite loops, and they never end. That's a problem. And the other one is the components, as I mentioned in the previous diagram, it can be, start to form a bottleneck while leaving the other systems idle. It just stops other things. And so which may lead to your slow performance, high latency, and limited throughput. So what are the solutions that we have, techniques to solve? Is choosing the right algorithm, choose the right data structure, and choose the right tool. So let us try what are the different algorithms that we have. Online algorithms, block matrices, and MapReduce. So streaming with sorting, storing is actually the online algorithm. And MapReduce, there are another things like MapPhase, where we try to split the text into words and emit, and also shuffle and sort and reduce the phase, where we try to sum the counts and output the final total count. The other one of trying to solve the handling large data set is trying to choose the right data structure. So the data structures can be of sparse data, tree, or hash. Sparse is actually, it is going to have mostly zero or missing values, and stored efficiently to save a memory. And here tree and hash is very simple. Hashtag is like how we used to do in other things, Facebook or Twitter or some other things, Insta. So easy to sort, easy to take a key value, and we can just find it easily. And tree is obviously having a parent node, and then we'll have so many child nodes, and which is easy for us to search and sort. So this is actually very important. The data structure is, choosing a right data structure is very important, because it also influences the performance of creating a data set, reading or deleting, updating, whatever it is. So it is just going to influence the performance of it. So we have to choose the right data set. And the last one is choosing the right tools. Mostly we have to go on with the Python tools, and at least if not, it is a tool that is can be controlled by the Python. So these are the different tools listed here. And based on the type of operation we perform, we can choose the library. Like if it is a numerical expression, we are going to deal with a fast numerical expression, then we go on with NumExpress. And so such a way we'll go with different libraries based on the operation or the need of the process. Say if I want to convert something, a Python code to C, or to perform for performance optimization, then I go with Python. So this is how we select the tool. And the next one is the tips, basic tips. So very simple. Don't reinvent the wheel. Means don't try to create another new library. Better go on with the library that has already been created and the tools that has been already used, and also make use of the hardware. Try to extract the full potential of it, and also because it doesn't work to the fullest extent, so with simple adaptations we can make use of it and make it work harder. And also the last one is reduce the computing needs. Try to cut down your memory and processing needs as much as possible, which will help you to handle the large volume of data. Thank you.